I'll take this opportunity to say thank you to everybody for coming into the trading room, thetradingroom.com. This is the TradeLAB. My name is EP. Welcome in. This is a live market. We're watching the mini Dow position. I've got about $1,000 open trade equity. I've got my profit target for the day locked in. This is off of a retracement signal. And if you can see it, there's a red dot right back there up at the top, and that was the retracement. And we're about to get stopped out, looks like, right at the moving average. And what is normally a little bit of a pullback has turned into a lot larger of a pullback. You can see the S&P in the upper right-hand corner pulling back as well. I'm using that as a marker. I'm actually using the S&P as an indicator. NASDAQ has fallen back down after it had a sharp rally up. Actually had a sharp drop, then rallied up, all three of these stocks. And look at this, now 1,100 open trade equity on this Dow, 1145. And I'd say in climbing, but climbing down and falling. Far left chart, I've got gold. Did a trade there earlier. Actually, I'm sorry, I did not do a trade there earlier. Did a trade earlier trying to sell the largest lagging market at the time, which was crude. Tried to sell it into the secondary bear zone, got stopped out of the gate. And then this is my only other trade I've had today, which is the Dow, which has allowed me to get to my profit target for the day in 16 minutes. And everything that I see from this point forward is what I call bonus beyond my daily profit target. Got a counter trend move happening here in the crude oil. Crude oil going back up into the first zone. So rallying in a bear zone. Crude. A lot of consolidation inside the neutral trade zone, breaking back out of it. But look at this. This is the story in the trade of the day. 1,200 open trade equity, 1,270. This is on a solo mini Dow. Requirement for margin right now is roughly $13,000, 10 to 13. You guys can check with your broker on that. Again, selling off of a rally, selling off of a rally in the neutral trade zone. Did a 2-lot. I took one target off at the bottom of the zone, and now I'm just letting this thing free fall. 1,370, 1,400, 1,425. Open trade equity continues. You can see my target down at the bottom. My target, which this is a counter trend trade, 1,500 open trade equity. This is a counter trend trade. I am short in the first bull zone. Now, is it going to test that lower band, or is it going to come test the bull level in the low of the day? The low of the day, which we've seen put in way over after the levels adjusted at midnight, as they do every day. 1,700 open trade equity. Market is climbing down. Not only is this the trade of the day, guys, this is the trade of the month. This might be the trade of the year. And you guys are witnessing it on this 25th day of March. Thanks for being with me in the TradeLAB. Brought to you by thetradingroom.com. And for those of you guys that don't have a trial yet, what are you waiting for? If this doesn't get your heart pumping, you might want to check your heart. 2-week trial, free. Check it. Come on over to thetradingroom.com. Check out the tech, check out the performance, check out more recordings just like this. And folks, this is a $2,000 trade. And yes, of course, I'm going to lock in more profit right here in front of you. Now that we've touched that other side, that other band, definitely going to lock in more profit. I'm just bringing it down. This is a free fall bonus. Rather than just going out of the market right now, let's just go above the close of the last bar, right above the high of this bar. Let's see if I can keep locking it in. Who's short with me? If you are short this market, please sound off. Type in EP if you are short the Dow with me. Type in EP. You can put an exclamation point after it if you'd like. I know I would. Got 30 seconds. I'll go ahead and bring this down again, just like I did the last one, above the high of this bar and above the close. See the bar timer at the bottom? All right. There's some people making money today. Congratulations, guys. Great stuff. $2,400 open trade equity. 10 seconds to go on this bar to close. And look what I'm going to start doing. Lock it in. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it? A lot of people trying to figure out how to trade these markets, guys. I've been doing it the same way since 2006. Been trading since 1998. Don't call me old, just call me wise. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. We're going to continue to let this thing fall. By the way, this is being recorded. So all of you, all you traders that are here with me, all the members here in the room today, this recording will be available. Please do me a favor to share it with a friend. Share it with a trader that is beat up and just can't figure it out and thought that yesterday's utopia was how it was going to be for every single day of trading. No. Yes, it was the largest single day in Dow history. I understand it. I get it. But if you thought that that was the beginning, you're very, very wrong. That was the beginning of more chaos. You guys are looking at volatility at its best. And yes, I'm locking in more profit. Look at this. Every bar, lower close, every bar. This tells me that it's destined to go down to the bottom, take out that low of the day. Guys, $3,000 open trade equity on a solo lot of the Dow. You're witnessing it right there. 17 seconds for this bar to close. Looks like it might be, yeah, looks like it's about to change. All right, so I think this might be it. Check out the S&P. S&P looks like it's starting to turn. By the way, your T-notes inside the neutral trade zone. Our sentiment from risk on has officially changed to mixed. And yes, I did miss a trade over here on the gold. But as you guys could probably guess, I really don't care. But I will look for some additional trades for you guys. And that is the conclusion of the Dow. So glad you guys are about that trade. For those of you guys that took it, it's a $2,100 day, guys. And we started trading 26 minutes ago. There's your trades. That's a beautiful thing. Let's do it again tomorrow.